Welcome everyone, today we're drawing Brobee from Yo Gabba Gabbaland. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'll line up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's push the pupils towards the inside, so on the left I'm going to draw a smaller circle, line that up on the right, and we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now underneath each eye, we're going to draw a curve coming down and then up, round up the side of the mouth, come in towards the bottom. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. And we'll trace the mouth along the inside. Let's start with the top, round up the sides, and curve the bottom, and we'll fill the inside in black. Now we're going to move up to the top and draw on the eyebrow. We'll start with a curve coming up and then down. Go back to the left side, go up high in the middle, and then back down. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrow in black. Now I'm going to go up to the side and draw the outside of the head. Let's start from the left side. We're going to go up, round up the head, come across, and then down towards the right. And then we'll add those three horns along the top. Let's start with the one on the middle. Starting over on the left, we're going to go up in an angle, round up the horn, and then come down. Now I'm going to add two more horns on either side. Go up, round up the horn, and then back down. Let's curve the body, coming down towards the feet. Round up the foot, come down across the bottom, and then in towards the heel. Let's bend the legs coming up and then in towards the center point. Let's go back up and draw the inside edge of the arms. We're going to start with the left side, going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw the thumb coming in and then out. Let's go back to the left side, curve the hand coming down, bend the arm coming all the way around and then in towards the side of the bottom. Let's fill the inside of the body with some stripes. We'll start on the left side, curve this down underneath the mouth, and then back up. Step down, draw that again. And we're going to continue all the way down towards the feet. Let's separate the wrist with a curve, going out and then up. And we'll continue to add those stripes going all the way up toward the top of the arms. Let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Brobee from Yo Gabba Gabbaland. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.